What's going on, everybody?
Welcome back to the vlog.
Hey, that's my job. Not anymore, bud. Shut up. Welcome back. We have some very exciting stuff going on here today. Techo Bloc Paver Patio, crazy design. We're gonna start by excavating, getting our base materials in. Then we'll catch up once we get to laying pavers. So make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. So you can see we got everything dug out here. We also got this privacy wall kind of half done. We're gonna have stone in the middle here, and then we have the decorator's kaya on both sides. But we're gonna focus on this patio now because we're waiting for a few things, a couple extra boards that we need to finish this stuff. So we're gonna jump on this patio, and we have a really, really cool pattern going down here. We've got the Techo Bloc Everest in grade nickel and shale gray, and then we have Squadra in Onyx black, and then we have the Valet in shale gray as well. So we're gonna do a grade nickel 3-piece pattern everywhere, but we're gonna have 2 strips, like an X that cuts through this, and that's gonna be the Techo Bloc shale gray, 250 by 500. A lot of this is probably not making any sense, so you're gonna have to kind of wait until we get into it to really see what's gonna happen here, but just trust me, it's gonna be one of the coolest things we've done.
I guarantee it.
So we've got the Everest grade nickel. We're gonna start with that, and we have 3 different sizes. These are sold individually, so what I did was I added up how many pieces of each that we had so we have an even disbursement. We're gonna basically do 10 of the small ones to 1 of the big ones to 4 of the rectangle. So that'll keep us nice and even, and then once we get to a certain point, we can start figuring out where these detail pattern things are gonna come into play. I don't really have a drawing of this. We're kind of winging it, but trust me, I can see it in my mind's eye. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, so let's go. Let's get this string line set up, and we can start laying here. So this will be the corner that we start in. We have this string line going against the pool, and then we'll pull a nice square line off of that so we make sure we're starting square. Start square to end square, baby. While we were working on the patio down there, our pergola cover system came, and Ant has been working on that. I think he's been enjoying working by himself. Nobody's been getting in his way until now.
He's gonna ask me if I need help.
Do you need help?
But half it's done already.
I might as well not get in your way then. So anyway, this is a pergola cover system. We've been using these for a few years now. I find it's a really nice way to provide a waterproof shaded space without the cost of doing a full roof. So we can just build a pergola, and then we can put this cover on top, makes it waterproof. We do have a 1/4-inch pitch per foot on here. This will go into a gutter, and goes up really nice and quick. It's the best. Yes, he is. If he can't do it, no one can.
No one can.
What?
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 What's that?
What?
Do you need a hand with that? You want me to grab this end? I got this end.
I'm helping.
All right, I'm just gonna point out a couple more little things about this system real quick because I'm not totally sure if it needs me up here. So the panels come in 2-foot sections. You can see there's a standing seam on the edge of each panel, and then we'll have a piece that goes on top of this, secures the sides together, and then that's what makes it waterproof. We also start by cutting off our first raised edge, and then we put this aluminum profile on the edge and locks it in for justice. Almost there.
There's the littlest guy handing us
That's how you want me to grab it.
Sean, I really don't need any of you guys up here.
What did you say, you need more of us up here? No problem.
I'm helping.
But you can really tell how strong it is. I mean, Ant, how much do you weigh?
$190.
Nope.
Maybe back in high school. Anyway, we got 3 big boys up here right now and it's not budging. You can see we leave this a tiny bit long and we'll go through at the end with a string line, snap a line, and then we'll cut this all nice and straight, put our edge profile on it, and we'll still leave a tiny bit of an overhang because it's going to drain into a gutter, so we'll only be cutting a tiny bit off of this. We built the pergola around the parameters of these panels. They're 16 foot, so we made the pergola just a tiny bit under 16 foot. And it's working out beautifully. Tony, do you need any help? Excuse me, I gotta help him. All right, so we have a lot of these pavers down in this section. We're gonna start working over towards the other side of the pool, but we have enough down here that we can start working on this inlay. And the inlay is gonna cut through here and it's gonna pick up on the other side of the patio. And then we're gonna go 90 degrees off of that and have another one cutting through here. But the thing that we want to do is have the center point of this inlay where it creates this X right in the center where the fire pit is gonna go. So they're gonna have a sectional around this corner. And what I like to do to figure out best placement for a fire pit, we figure 3 feet for that couch, 2 feet of walking space, and then whatever the diameter of your fire pit is, you divide that by half, and that's gonna be your center point. So this is exactly the center point where this intersects. So now we're gonna run a string line, we're gonna get it exactly where we want it to go, and then we'll pull off of that. It's gonna be roughly 4 feet wide, and it's gonna be really sweet. We're gonna have that shale gray run through here, little accent.
You guys good? You need help with anything?
Do you need help up there?
I'm a good helper.
Right here, that's the center of our inlay right there at our meeting point. So we need to make sure that whatever line we make going this way, we cross that point. All right, don't pull it too tight. Another thing that I want to make sure of is whatever angle we go across here, I don't want the inlay to hit the corner of the deck. So I think we're going to be pretty good there. All right, we got a lot of this cut out. We're starting to do our inlay. We also have Techo Zach here. Techo Bloc rep to the stars. Anyway, we're starting to lay this thing out and you can see it coming together. So we have this 49 inches across. We've got Valet Squadra, 30 inches in the center. This is where our Everest Shale Gray is gonna go. And we're gonna do a running bond pattern with these bad boys, 250 by 500 millimeters, talking metric here. And basically what we're gonna do kind of one of these. And then the next piece will be split, and then we'll have this piece lining up with this. So we have that running bond. And then that's going to leave us with this right here, a 30 by 30 playground of the mind. I don't know what we're going to do there yet, but I think it's an opportunity to do something awesome. So we're going to lay a lot of this other stuff and see what we come up with for this. But I think we're going to come up with something really cool. Stay tuned. Oh yeah! We got 4 pieces in out of 17 that are going into this very small square. I wasn't sure what we were going to do there, so yesterday when I was at home, I did some sketches. This one, that one's just really, that's stupid. That was a terrible idea. I don't know what I was thinking there. But then I came up with this one. 17 pieces going into a 30 by 30 square. Is it too much? I don't know. We'll see. We have a backup plan if it is too crazy, but this is just a placeholder. This 10 by 10 in the center, that's coming out because there's going to be 9 pieces within this 10-inch square. It's going to end with one Squadra right in the middle. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited. I think, no, Squadra maybe goes like this.
Yep.
Squadra goes like that. You can already see it. It looks so cool.
I'm excited.
Last piece. I can almost hear the angels singing. It's beautiful. 17 pieces in a 30 by 30 square. I love it. I think it turned out awesome. Woo! We got a lot of adjustments to do. We gotta finagle this, finagle that, space out our gaps nice and evenly, and but I think we nailed it here. I think we absolutely nailed it. Drone shot's gonna be so sick. Oh, I'm excited. This is my excited look. I'm very excited. All right, we got to continue this over there. Woo! We got most of our pavers in here. We're making some final adjustments. Things got kicked around a lot by cutting everything and a lot of moving parts here. So we need to go back, respace it, make sure everything's looking nice and straight. And we have this inlay carrying right through. It looks freaking awesome. You're gonna have to wait for the next vlog, finish the patio, get our joint sand in here, do the barn door. We got screens going in, a lot of really cool stuff. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.